Monday, the U.S. Supreme Court struck down some mandatory life sentences without parole as cruel and unusual punishment. That affects the cases of about 2,500 juveniles nationwide and at least 2 high-profile cases here on the Suncoast. That includes the case of 16-year-old Sean Tyson. He was convicted of killing 2 British tourists and sentenced to 2 consecutive life sentences without the possibility of parole earlier this year. The case of Dominic may also be affected. The 14-year-old was sentenced to life in prison 10 years ago for beating another Sarasota boy to death with a baseball bat. Now at age 25, he has a chance at freedom. This week's Supreme Court ruling requires convicts to be resentenced, but lower court judges can still hold hearings, weigh the evidence, and in the end, resentence them to life in prison without parole. The Supreme Court ruling only requires the judges to consider other possible sentences. Nonetheless, the ruling sparked optimism from the inmates and their parents. You can read more about this story at heraldtribune.com.